Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change equalizer preset for your headphones Sony XM6. You have to start by open Sony Sound Connect application, and if you add your headphones to the application you will see it here. Now you need to scroll down, and right here in the third line we have Equalizer, so you need to tap at this button, and here's preset what Sony offer for us, and free presets, manual, custom 1, custom 2 for the custom preset. So select the best one for you. I think I prefer game preset, so I'm just tap on it, and then you can close it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.